this cat?
You're so loud, it pierces my ears. And it's Albee. I'm gonna say talk. Okay, so she hasn't seen Beep Beep yet. Sorry, did I touch you?
Yeah, can you like not touch me ever again?
Oh my god. Ew, gross. I got germs.
Oh, and she just touched me.
Yeah.
As you guys all know, I'm a huge Melody, and Albee has already seen this music video, so she's just gonna chill, make some faces, keep you guys entertained, and I'll just make the spaz, because I know you guys will know I probably will just spaz and not even. I have heard the song multiple times, I've watched the performances, it's just that I am just basically reacting to the video today. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, play.
I need a pillow. Hey, it's a butt!
Uncle, butt, monkey.
I need a pillow. Like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's like Hot Wheels. Just stop. I don't really. What? Oh my god, I want to be that car right now. But you're so cute. Oh, look at him. Oh yeah, he's bad. What? We'll talk about that later. Uncle, why didn't you say out loud?
I need a moment. Appropriate or not?
It's YouTube. They're so cute. Oh, so cute! I don't like your hair though. Oh man. Oh Mio. So good. I like the filtering by the way. I really like how he raps more. Uncle is looking finer and finer by every day. I mean, by every comeback. Every day. Like they debut every single time. Oh god. That just ruined the moment. No, get away from there!
She had a way reference.
Oh man, Todd. Oh my god, I'm playing the piano.
I'm not your doll!
Too late. I want to party with them and get the girls out. I want to be the only girl there. But, yeah. The thing with little closer is so cute and they actually work.
You're like
more kids. I think I'm moving slow.
the dance is really cute.
I like that.
Okay, bro.
No parking in this area. And it's all Mihyo's fault. That was cute, except the girls. They just need to get out. I really like the whole album as a like all their other songs. I think this song is super nice and super cute, but maybe I should just not comment about the chorus.
She doesn't like the chorus because it doesn't sound good.
It sounds like they're teaching kids how to say "tui tui bang bang," like "tui tui bang bang."
No, they don't sing it like that. They sing it like Beep, beep, bow, bow.
I honestly don't like the chorus, but I mean, the fact that I listened to it so much, I mean, I'm okay with it now. And the music video is super cute, and now I can finally gif it. That's basically all I have to say. Where this is the end of this reaction video. See you guys later.